In this video, I'll show you how to scale images in Squarespace. Once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to head over to your top bar, and on the left-hand side, simply click on Edit so we can start customizing our website. Now, from your Squarespace website, the first step is to scroll down to an image. And as you can see here on this section, I have an image. Now, whenever I click on an image, you'll see that on the very left-hand side, there are a few spaces. Now, there are a few ways in order for us to scale an image. The first step is by clicking on the image box, and on the corners of the frame, you will see the squares. Simply hold and then drag in order for you to scale the image. Now, one thing that you will notice is if you try to scale using the left and right corners, you will see that it will create another space at the very top. To fix this, what you want to do is simply click on the image, and at the top on the very left hand side, click on the pencil to edit. Now on the right hand side, you want to make sure that you are on the design tab, and from here you will actually see three options: fit, fill, or shape. Now, if you click on fit, it will be the default. It will have a space on either the top or the left hand side. If you click on fill, it will actually fill up the whole image so you can start resizing it in the way in which you want it to. Let's say we are on the fill design, and if we try to hold and then drag these squares, it will automatically scale. If you add shape, what this will do is you have to pick a specific shape in which you want the image to look like, and that is where you can also start scaling. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.